Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to show you something that I'm really excited about, something that we've been trying to work on for ages. We've been working on it for about 2-3 months now, and it's the risk calculator for the DXTrade platform. So this video will show you briefly how to use it and all the features we have. So if you come from our MT4 or MT5 version, or even our newer C-Trader version, it's quite similar. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough about risk calculator and how it works with the DXTrade platform. Been really excited to make this video and show you guys. So many people have been messaging us for months asking when we're going to release something like this, because there's no other platform no other tool or anything that does it. So I'm really excited to show you guys. So I'll just dive in straight into the video now, and hopefully you'll enjoy it, and you'll look forward to what I'm about to show you. So you can see it right now. I've just toggled on the risk calculator. So once you've installed it, you'll get all these settings. So the cool thing is that you can toggle it on and off. You can set your own time frame, whatever you like. You can choose between balance or equity, and you can choose if you want risk calculator to follow the live price or not. So I'm just going to keep it quite simple at the start, and by default we can risk 1%. You can type in whatever you want here, or you can click it and you'll get your cash. So you can type in whatever cash you want to risk per trade, and then the next box is the profit. So you'll see that go up and down as we draw on our trade. And the next thing is lot size. So you can actually trade by lot size. So you can type in, say if you wanted to risk trade one lot every trade, you can do that, or half a lot, or 5 lots, whatever you like. And the next one is stop loss. So here you can just enter what you like for the default is 20 pips, which I quite like. I think that's enough for me. And here it's your take profit. So you can trade up to 3 take profit zones. So I'll just dive in and show you the first one at 1%, and I'll do a buy. So say for example I quite like this GJ chart and I want to do a buy. Keep in mind this is just a demo account, a free demo account, and I'm just doing all these trades as examples. So I want to do a buy here, and then you can see I can just drag my risk calculator to wherever I want. So it will tell you the clear levels here. So say if I want my profit zone, my TP here, and my stop loss, say just under this candle here, I'm risking 1% of my account equity. And say if I want to enter that trade, I can just hit enter, and you can see it filled there, and it makes that noise as well from DXTrade. So yeah, so that is the buy. And while I'm here, so I want to show you another cool little feature we've added in. So this is a risk calculator feature where we can drag and drop our stop losses and our take profits. So for example, say if I wanted to move my stop loss a bit closer now because I'm more confident in my trade, I can do that. So I simply just drag it and press the tick box, and you can see it's moved, and you can see here the confirmation from DXTrade. And now say if I want to take my take profit a bit higher because the trade is going my way, say if it does go your way in the future and you want to just move your take profit, all you do is drag and drop it and click the tick, and that should go through now. Yep, so you can see that's gone through, and that shows you our stop loss and take profit has all been moved, and you can just do it by dragging, dropping, and not typing it all out and stuff like that. So I'll just close this trade for now. So actually what I'll do is I'll show you a feature that we've put in. So these are all of our features here on each individual trades. So now you can close 10%, 20%, 50%, 90%, the whole trade, or you can type in your own custom. Say if you want to do something obscure like 22%, you can do that. We also have these here, so you can close all of your trades at once. You can hit your break evens as well. And just for this example, I'll show you, I want to close this trade out completely. You can do that by just a click, and you can see that's just happened. So the next thing I want to show you is a sell. So it's the exact same thing. So I want to do risk 1%, which I've got here, and I want to do a sell. And for this example, I want to change my risk to reward. So I want to make that, a lot of people use 1. So I'm going to use 1, and you can see that my risk to reward will always be 1. So you can see it's locked in at 1 risk to reward. Say I want to change it now to 2, I can do that. Simply type in 2 and press enter, and this cell will be 2 risk to reward. So I want to do that. My risk is 1%, my risk to reward is at 2, and it's a sell, and I'm going to press enter. You can see that's just gone straight through. It's so easy. It's so much easier than what DXTrade already had. So this is literally streamlining your whole trading process, letting you get in and out of the market a lot easier. So I'm just going to close this trade so I can use our tool here and click all. You might notice I've got some old trades running here, which I'll show you why a bit later on. So my next, the next feature I want to show you is the cash. So say if I wanted to type in just a risk, say 200 of my cash, my 200 of my balance, simply type in 200 or whatever you like, and I want to do a buy here, and you can see my risk reward is locked in at 2 as it was previously. So I'm risking 200, and if the trade goes my way, you can see the profit will be 400. So that's a really nice feature. Just a lot of people just prefer working in money terms, in cash terms. See, say if I want to risk £100, $200, 300 euros, whatever you like to do, whatever currency. It supports all base currencies as well. So let's just do a long here with 200 risk. Let's do a bit longer, and that's 2 risk to reward, and we can hit enter here. You can see that's filled. Easy as that. It's so easy, just to enter trades. I'll close that off. So the next thing I wanted to show you is trading by lot sizes. So let's go and do a short. So we're short in the market, and let's work out where we want our stop. So if I want it a bit further, and say you're the type of trader that just wants to trade one lot at a time, so I'll just use that as an example. So here, so now we've set up our actual trade, where we want it. So we can see it's a risk reward at 2, and I simply want to trade 2 lots. So I'll simply click 2 in lots. You can see here, it will show you that 2 lots are locked in, and you can see if the trade doesn't go my way, I'll lose this much, and if the trade goes my way, I'll win this much. So that will be here, and the risk is here. So I've moved it a bit now, so let me type it in again. 1, 2, and then let's enter. And you can see I've traded 2 lots here, and that's opened. So it's really easy to do that now. So that moves me on to the next part, which is pending orders. So you can do that as well with our risk calculator. So say if I just wanted to risk 1%, let me just close that old trade out. And you can see when I close all these trades how easy it is. You don't need to do the double confirmation or anything. I wanted to make it a bit like MetaTrader, because I know a lot of people are coming from MT4 or MT5 into DXTrade. So I wanted to make risk calculator seamless and quite similar to that. So here is the pending order. So say if I wanted to do a buy, so simply do your order and move it to where you want the order to trigger. So I want the order around here, and then we can hit enter. So this will be a limit buy, and say if I want to risk 1% of my account, we'll do that, and we hit enter, and that's placed, and that will be under orders. So yeah, and you can see the lines there, and you can move them as well So I'll just I'll leave that for now, and then I can show you another one. So we can do that was a buy, so we can do a sell now. So to do that, I'll just do that again. So say if you want to do a sell, you click it once, it's buy, and you click it again, it will turn into a sell. So say if we wanted to do our sell lot here, sell limit sell lot here, you can see that we'll want to risk 1%. Say we want to change our risk to reward to 1, it will do that for us. And say if we want to do it a bit further down, say if we want to do it there, and we can hit enter, and you can see that sell has been placed. So once the price comes down there, the sell will be triggered. So that's how easy it is to use. It's incredible. So we just wanted to make it really easy for traders. So I'll just close these pending orders on. And what I want to show you next is our trade manager. So here you can see I've opened quite a few, well, 3 trades, and I want to show you that. So I'll go into the GU chart where this trade is. Here we go. So just turn the risk calculator on. So you can see we've got a few trades on this chart, and say if I want to, so this trade here, you can see I'm in nearly £100 profit, and I'm quite happy with that. So what I want to do is put this order to break even. All you do is click this little box here, and if you watch carefully, the line should move. So you can't really see it, but you can see it's gone to entry. So, and you saw the pop up here. So say if I want to do that to the next one, I can do that. So the stop loss would just move to break even. So you saw that move, and I'll do the last one as well to break even. So you can see all of these 3 trades are at break even now, and they're all confirmed. So that's really cool. So I could also even press this tool and click break even if I want to do break even all at the same time. So another thing I want to show you is closing partial profits. So say if I want to close 50% of this trade, because I'm in quite nice profit here, and so if you take note that this trade is 0.40 lots, and I want to close 50%, so I want to secure half of my profit automatically. All I have to do is click this 50, so it will close 50% of the trade, and you can see I've closed 0.20 lots and leaving the 0.20 here, so I've secured 50%. So yeah, that's really cool, and you can do the same with, say, if I want to close 10% of this trade, it will close 10%, 20% of this trade, and then I've showed you close all on the previous when I was testing out at the start, and I'll show you custom. Say if I wanted to close 22% of a trade, and I can just type in what I want here and click close, and it will do that automatically for me. And say if you're done for the day and you just want to close all your positions, what you can do is click this tick box, and then you can also do 50% or whatever, any of these, but I just want to close all of my trades for the day, and you can just click all, and you can see all of that's done automatically. So all of my trades are done, and yeah, I could do it all in one click. So I just wanted to show you a couple more things before I ended the video. The first one is the multiple take profits. So I went through the normal one take profit zone. I want to show you how to do the second and third. So simply toggle this to 2 if you want 2 take profit zones, and then for this example I'll be doing 3 take profit zones. So you can do all that really easy within the toolbar, and simply put in where you want your 3 take profit zones. So I'm going to put my first take profit quite low, and my second one say mid, and my third one a bit higher. It will show you all the zones, the profit for each one, and it will show you how much I want to risk. So I want to risk overall 1%. So that's all set, and all I have to do now is press the blue tick to enter the trade, and you can see all them 3 orders have generated and they're all in now, and all you have to do is just wait on it and you're done. So the next thing I wanted to show you is that Risk Calculator also works on things like indices, cryptos and oil and everything like that. So I'll just show you on gold right now. So let's just close all these trades. So I can click all and all. I'll close all the trades. See how easy that was. So all I'll do is let's go on to gold, and I'll show you working on there. So this works on all pairs or indices or metals, gold, oil, cryptos, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So it works in the same way. So say if I want to, again, let's risk 5% on gold because gold's been moving quite nice. So we do a buy on that. You'll see it a bit closer together. All you have to do is drag it out, and we're risking our 5%, and we can hit enter here. You can see that's done straight away. Yeah, that's how it is really. It's quite easy. It works the same way on indices or on normal Forex pairs. So let's try here, risking just £200. So you can see here my £200 has been risked, and so everyone be quite ambitious and hold my trade up there. We can hit enter, and the trade's gone through, and that's it really. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and hope you enjoy it. The link to purchase Risk Calculator is in the description. Just head to our website and all the information's there. Feel free to message us anytime on the chat, and we'll be happy to help or answer any questions you may have. Thanks.